Oh, that isn't Mackenzie. No.
Good job. Good job, Cassie. Back it up.
Go, Mac! Go!
Good job,
Go,
Mac.
Mac!
Good job, Mac.
Good job!
Ooh,
Nice, go!
Good job, Emma. Nice tackle, Emily. No, that's not Emily. Who's that? I don't know who that is.
Oh!
Nice.
Go, Mac! Ooh.
Back it up.
Go Black! Go Black!
Back, Kiana.
Uh-oh.
Taking a card here. Okay, girls, up quick.
Come on, Mac. Big kick, kiddo. Oh, yes! Go, go, go!
Good job.
Dang, that was a
Oh. Good job, Michaela.
Shoot.
Up on it! Out? No, not yet. Use it! Ooh,
Oh, that was
dangerous.
Forward. Nice, go Nice, yes!
Just take it to the ground.
Yes, yes.
Why would you do that?
Good job, Black! Good job, Black!
Just take that to the ground.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Oh, that was totally beautiful right up until that.
Let's go, Black!
Hey, Piper. Sorry for not saying hi earlier. I didn't recognize you first.
Lord mercy.
My God. What's it right now? Like, today's the coolest day. You know that, right? No. That's really not good.
There's some shade down here. Scooch. Right there. You sit down in front. Yes, go Hannah. Come on. Is that her name?
Shalane, that one. That's Shalane. Hannah's the 10.
Oh, okay.
Shalane's the center, inside center.
Is she down?
Yep.
Well,
She's up again, though.
She's good. Come on.
Slowly, but up. Oh, in the way.
Yes!
Oh, nice ball.
Get there, girls! Good job, Hannah. Good job. Oh, dang. Yep.
No, it's a knock, girls. Don't go back. Don't go back. Oh, man, this is way harder work on a phone.
Oh,
I thought I was getting a tripod and a camera. Seems like a scam.
Will, can you help Bryn?
Will, can you help Vang? Here, have this phone. How would that go over? Probably not that big, eh?
Sorry, we're just gonna come behind you. Okay. So, you got your shoulder like forced backwards. Let's go, Black! Let's go, yeah, I was in the scrum, it like back it up.
Why don't you move a little further into the shade, kiddo?
And then,
Sorry to interrupt.
I can feel it.
Okay, we got